Today, December 18th, 2021, it's about 4:45 p.m. on a Saturday. I'm about to blow dry my hair for the first time in almost 2 years. I haven't blow dried my hair since March 2020. I just washed my hair with these shampoos. This is a dandruff shampoo. I did this one first, rinsed it out a little bit, and then went behind with a clarifying shampoo, because when you're doing a blowout or silk press, you want your hair to be flowy and not weighed down. And so I needed to clarify it first. I deep conditioned with one of my favorite deep conditioners of all time, the Dove Amplified Textures Recovery Mask. And then on one of my sections, I used a sample packet of the Algae Renew Deep Conditioning Mask from Camille Rose. It literally only covered one section. Obviously, it's just a sample pack, but from what I could feel, it did a pretty good job. Then I steamed with my steamer with the deep conditioner in for about 15 minutes. And then I rinsed it out, and that's where we are now. Oh, after I rinsed out the deep conditioner while my hair was still wet, I put a little bit, just a tiny bit of the leave-in moisture milk from Camille Rose. Just a tiny bit. Again, I don't want my hair to be way down, but I still don't want my hair to be super dry and fried. Still want a little bit of moisture. I'm loosely following Natural 85's tutorials of her using this bad boy, which I'm about to open. I'm just doing this for the holidays, and I also need a trim. I dust a lot, so I don't think my ends are gonna be that bad, but I haven't had like a serious just sit down and trim since I blow dried it in March of 2020. So a lot going on, and I'm very excited. Okay, so it's been an hour, and I've just been letting my hair dry in these big twists, but I'm getting kind of impatient. It's damp. It's definitely obviously not soaking wet, but it's definitely damp. I don't know if I should let it dry some more or just get started blow drying, because I've been doing my hair since 1 o'clock and it's 6:08. I'm tired. In the meantime, let's open the star of the show. This is the Revlon Salon One Step Hair Dryer and Styler. I see all the natural girls on YouTube use this. It was $40 off of Amazon, but earlier this year it was $32, so the price fluctuates. Let's open it. Ooh, it's very light. It does come with instructions. So it has off, cool, low, high. I'm gonna do mine on low, especially since I'm drying it right now, so I don't need high heat. I forgot to say, but when I got done rinsing out the deep conditioner and then put a little bit of that Camille Rose leave-in in, when I got back up here and took the towel off my head, I put a little bit, just a tiny bit of my dandruff oil on my fingers, and I just massaged it on my scalp. Again, I don't want my hair to be weighed down, but I did forget to say that I put a little bit on there because my dandruff like to come on my hairline, so I put some on my hairline. When it's time to actually blow out, I'm going to put this leave-in on. I'm probably gonna put like a spray and a half on. This is this Ion Styling Solutions leave-in conditioner, and then this is gonna be my heat protectant. This is the Kenra Platinum blow dry spray here, and then when I'm done, I'm going to put some Ion Styling drops on there. It's 6:32. I'm starting. I'm not gonna get heat damage, but I'm still scared of it, if that makes sense. And I just haven't blow dried my hair in so long, and I'm using a new tool, so I'm just really anxious. All right, I'm finger detangling because this is a brush, and you're not supposed to detangle your hair with this brush. You need to make sure your hair is detangled before you put the brush on your hair. I'm making sure my hair is finger detangled first, and then I'm gonna go in with a wide tooth comb, and then I'm going in with this Felicia Leatherwood. Okay, I'm gonna put 2 sprays. Nothing crazy, nothing crazy, nothing crazy, nothing crazy. Why my hair acting like it's tangled? Girl, you are not tangled. I'm not putting this hair dryer in my hair until my hair is detangled, since I want to act like this. I'm doing it on low heat. This is on low. I look weird. I didn't know my hair was like this. I mean, you pull your hair down and you're like playing with it, but it just goes back up so you don't get used to it being down. Okay, I'm gonna try to get my ends, or maybe this is a sign that my ends need to be trimmed. Maybe that's why they look like that. Let's keep going. I look so weird. This don't look like me. I'll check back in with this when I have more of my head covered, because I'm in shock right now. I'm done with the back of my hair. I like this blow dryer. My only concern is I feel like I'm not getting my roots that well, but I think it's just me. It's not the blow dryer. My ends don't look that bad to me. Let's just keep going. I'm done. I started at 6:40. It's 8:41. So this took me 2 hours, and I'm not blaming the blow dryer. I think I just work slow. It came out just how I thought it was gonna. Girl, I thought I felt wetness. It came out just how I thought it was gonna come out. Oh, I don't look like myself, but it's fine. It's fine. I'm gonna make it me. I'm gonna make it me. I'm about to put a little bit of this stuff on because that's what it says. It says place a small amount in hand and smooth evenly through wet or dry hair or onto skin. Y'all see my roots are still kinked up. They are still rooting. I think it's me though. I don't think it's the dryer.